All right, good evening, everyone. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It all depends on when you are watching this video or when you are coming across this video. Okay, welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. This is Brainybite tutorials. Okay, what we do here is that we teach you guys the exams tips and tricks on how to pass exam. Okay, we also help you guys pass exam, we assist you guys pass exam, we assist you guys gain admission, and so many of them. All right, so if you have been here on YouTube for many, if you have been writing jam for many years and you are not making it, I believe this is your time now. Okay, so just hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you, and most importantly, you'll be the first to watch the video. All right, so I'll be dropping my phone number on at the end of this video. Yes, I'll be dropping my phone number at the end of this video so that you can be able to join us. That's if you want to gain admission, if you have been writing jam for so long and you want to write jam this you have written jam this year, and you want to make it once, you want to gain admission once. All right, so I'll be dropping my number on the screen so that you can be able to contact me, so I can add you to our student WhatsApp platform. All right, so if you notice for long now I've not posted, is because of Jamb. Okay, we're busy with Jamb, so that's why I've not posted for very long, so I'm so sorry about that. All right, so and now for some time now I will not still be posting regularly again because of Waec is still at hand. All right, so that's why I brought this video to you guys. All right, so Waec is still at hand. All right, so we delivered for Jamb, and Waec now is in front of us. Okay, so if you check your timetable, if you're a Waec candidate, if you check your timetable, you will find out that tomorrow, which is Tuesday 30th April, you have a food and nutrition tomorrow and home management, so the practical. So if you have your timetable, you can check and confirm. All right, so tomorrow we'll be having food and nutrition and home management. Okay, so what you will do, what we'll do for you is that we'll provide, just like the way I told you guys before, that will make things easier for you in this platform. We'll provide materials for you. All right, so we'll provide materials for you as early as possible. All right, so that you can be able to make use of your materials in your exam hall. Okay, that's if you want to score A's, B's, and C as well. All right, so with our materials you can be able to score A's, B's, and C's. All right, so I don't know how long you have been written, how long you have been written Waec, NECO, and Jamb. All right, so as long as you're a Brainybite candidate, you're not going to fail. All right, because we have all it takes to help you succeed. All right, we did it in Jamb, and now is a Waec. All right, so if you can be able to do it in Jamb, Waec is not exceptional. All right, so what you will do is to message me on WhatsApp. Let me drop my WhatsApp number for you guys. Let me drop my WhatsApp number. We have my WhatsApp number is 09065424058. I repeat, 09065424058. Let me call it for the very last time. We have 09065424058. So just like the way I've told you guys before, I don't know how long you have been writing Jamb, Waec, right, NECO. Right, so we will help you succeed. We will help you with the materials. We will write and succeed. We will also help you with your Jamb, because so many people, so many person feels like it is after Jamb and that's the end of the process. All right, so we'll help you navigate all the processes. All right, and this thing is not something it's not something you can As long as you are a Brainybite candidate, all right. I don't even need to talk much, all right. Just slide to my DM. I don't even need to talk much. Take my number, message me on WhatsApp, and I'll be right there to answer all of your questions. All right. I'll add you to our student platform, Waec and Jamb. All right. It is very, very interesting, and you will like it also. Okay. So if you want to make Jamb and Waec this year, oh yeah, let's go down. If you want to get an admission, your friends are now in school. You are having issues with your parents, parental pressure because of Jamb, UTME, and Waec examination. Don't worry, we are here to help you ease the stress, right? We will help you succeed, all right? So what you just do, just message me, and you'll be the one to refer others, all right? Thank you. Until I see you again in my next video. Don't forget that I do love and cherish you guys. Keep winning.